I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
For reasons beyond my understanding, we have a million stupid lawn ornaments. My idiot neighbor thought we needed another and stuck one in my yard that almost immediately fell over and broke. Well, because my neighbor is an idiot. I wanted to throw it away, but I've been browbeaten into fixing it. So here I am, picking up all the pieces and heading to my garage to fix a damn lawn ornament that isn't even ours. Look at all this crap I have to mow around every week. I really hate this stuff.
Okay, I've got all the pieces laid out. This red piece has got a small chip missing from here, but I couldn't find it. Didn't really look for it. These two pieces are broke here, but where it's glued to this plate, it's holding in place, so I'm just going to leave that. And everything else I've got laid out pretty much as it goes together. This goes to that, this goes to here, there, there. And then I've got all these little pieces that are extra that I'll piece in at the end. And I'm using this E6000. It's a jelly. It's a gel or a goop of some sort. Pretty good stuff, and it's great for stuff like this. This is porous, so you can't use super glue on it. And this stuff is pretty good for fixing ceramic, metal, glass. I never tried it on wood, but I'm sure it'll work great. Okay, I'm going to start on a couple of these smaller pieces. Start by putting a little gel on this little piece and sliding it in where it goes. And then use a little gel. Put this on here. And I think I'll put this piece together too while I'm at it. Okay, we'll lay these two sections aside to dry for about 2 or 3 hours and come back and finish some more. Okay, it's been about an hour, so I'm going to try to put another piece together. Try this little piece. And it goes right down here. And I'm going to try to put this piece in. Okay, these have had sufficient time to dry and they should be pretty good. Now I'm going to try to glue this part here and maybe this part on this side. It lets me know now that there's a piece missing right here and a piece missing here, so we need to find out which ones those are. So let's get this one glued in here where it goes. And I do believe it's one of these smaller ones that goes down in here. I think we can get away with not putting this piece in right now, so I'll just see if I can glue this piece onto there. I'm going to take this now, flip it up like this, try and keep this part in place. Apply a little epoxy to here and put this part right in here. And that's good enough for a broken lawn ornament. Okay, found the little piece that goes in this hole. It's here. Still a little wet, so I'm going to try to force it in there. Looks like this little piece goes in there too, so I'll try to slide it in. Now we'll set it upright to dry. And I've got this piece here. It's in 3 pieces, plus this little part is in 2 pieces, so we'll fix all of them right now. And we'll put this end on as well. Now we can set it aside to dry. Okay, so now I'm going to try a couple other small little pieces. The plan here is to use excessive glue to hold it in place, manhandle it as best I can until it starts looking like a yard ornament again. This little piece goes right here. Probably the best fitting piece so far. Now we'll throw this part in. We'll also put this little part of the rim together while we're here. There we go. Not a perfect fit, but it's better than laying broken on the ground. Okay, I've got one final piece to add. Put quite a bit of gel adhesive on this piece. Okay, it's not fully dried or even close. It's really spongy and easy to move parts around, which will make it easier to get this last piece in here since it's not quite going to fit right because all the mistakes made while putting the rest of it together. But we'll do best we can. As I said, it's just a crappy yard ornament, and it's not even a yard ornament we own. The neighbors, for whatever reason, decided to put this in our yard. Apparently they don't think I have enough crap to mow around. Okay, we'll leave it like that to dry. We'll actually give it some time rather than come messing with it every 20 minutes. Okay, we let this sit for a while, so let's turn it down on its back again and glue this little finger bowl back in place. Okay, so we'll just drop it right in here. And now we'll let it set for another hour or two. Okay, it's been 4 or 5 hours and it looks like it's glued up pretty good. Looks pretty bad, but hey, not ours anyway. Like I said, one of the neighbors abandoned it in our yard because they like messing with me and trolling me, putting yard ornaments out. So tomorrow, I'll see if I can put this back in the ground or the garbage.
Okay, here I am putting the stupid thing back in the ground where the neighbor had it before. I was a little worried that I would hit it with my 3-pound blacksmith hammer and the damn thing would just shatter into a million pieces again. But as luck would have it, it rained for several hours earlier this morning, so the ground is very, very wet, and I'm able to push it into the ground at least a foot. This time it won't fall over. But it might end up in the garbage anyway.